Very good morning, friends. I am Nalnakshi Swami, welcoming back to my channel Smart Index Edge. Namaste to all of you. It is Sunday, July 5th, and as always, I am going to analyze the weekly market wrap up, breaking down Nifty 50, Bank Nifty, and Sensex, so that you will know where we stand heading into next week. That is very, very essential. You need to know where are the position of the Nifty, Sensex, and Bank Nifty. Then you will have a bird view for the next week trading. Nifty 50 closed the week at 24,270. Closed the week 24,270.9% up. I'm going to break down everything. Whereas Sensex is also wrapped up the week, gaining nearly 0.9 percentage with a wide weekly range. It is a wide weekly range between 78,157 to 76,329. It's a wide range. What happened in the Sensex? Coming to the Bank Nifty was down, closed the week with 0.4 percentage down, forming an inside week inside the previous week. Here, what is interesting, despite the green weekly candles on the Nifty and Sensex, our higher time frame bias on both is still reading bearish. Why? Because the Bank Nifty has already crossed the April month high. That means April, May, June, now we are in July. It has crossed the month high of April month's high and it is trading above that. Trading above the high. Not high exactly. It is at almost at the high. So it is bullish. Whereas Nifty still it has to cross the April month high. Even it has not even crossed the May month high. Now we are in the month of July and July month, still it is lagging, right? And same thing today, Sensex also. It is also lagging and the April month high is 79,326, which is well below that. The market has closed 77,763, almost you can see what 77 to 79,000. If you measure this range, let me pick up the tool, and if I measure, it is almost 1,000 to 1,090, 1,100 points down. Still, it is lagging. Even the Nifty is lagging. Then, while Bank Nifty is showing bullish bias, that is a classic sign of index divergence. So, what that means for your positioning, suppose if the Bank Nifty can pull up the other indices too, if it starts moving bullish. The Bank Nifty has paused last week, closing inside the week, inside candle. Suppose if it starts breaking down below this, it may also trigger negativity on this Sensex and as well as the Nifty. So, friends, now let us go deep dive into the market and Nifty. We will see what has happened over the Nifty, and we need to be very cautious. Even though it has popped up, we need to be very cautious. If I come back to the daily time frame and May month high is here. May month high is, let me put a line over there. May month high is at 24,482. Let me put a price label for that. 24,482. And if we see the pattern, observe the closely pattern, this is the complete range of the April month. Let me take you to this. The price, Nifty's price action is within this range. It is a consolidation box and from 23,030. This is almost June month low. From the June month low, it is heading towards all these obstacles, and it is a consolidation. So if you take this range, this is the bottom range and it is at the upper range. If it starts moving above this April month high, 24,482, then all the indices, even the Nifty as well as the Bank Nifty, everything become positive and they may start moving higher. But on a weekly basis, the weekly candle is not closed over here because there is still Monday and Tuesday. Tuesday is expiry day for the uh, Nifty and Thursday is expiry day for the Sensex. Then you need to mark all these levels for the week. These are the weekly levels I have marked. When I mark the weekly levels, so where it is placed as at the higher range of the weekly level. And the discount level is at 24,061 and 23,829. That is the opening price of the weekly. See, this is the 24,061 is the opening level of the weekly. When we come to the daily, this is the level where the market is sitting is 24,270, and the close of yesterday was, day before yesterday was 24,171. This is a gap up. Probably market may try to, since it is a bearish candle, the follow through may be a bearish opening on Monday to fill the gap. And if it starts filling the gap over here, and then if it starts moving here, it can go reverse and go across the boundary. So there is possibility. We will see these two candles. This is the swing low and the swing high. Swing low and swing high. And Monday, Tuesday, it has broken the Monday, Tuesday range. Let us mark the level of Monday, Tuesday. This is Monday. Monday, Tuesday range is here of the previous day, previous week. And if it starts coming inside, the Monday, Tuesday range is here. Previous week opening range. So anywhere between, if the market starts stopping at 24,068, it will be a discount we need to watch. From 24,270 to 24,068 is almost you can consider as 200 points down. It may be a trending down day continuation, so you need to be very careful. So I'm not going into in detail about the Sensex or anything. Even the Sensex is also presenting the same way. And if we go to the Thursday and Friday, Monday and Tuesday range. Let me put the Monday and Tuesday range for the Sensex. And even if the Sensex starts correcting to this breakout retest, that will be 77,257. So you need to watch out for 77. Let me take the price label and mark this. So these are the important levels to watch out for Nifty and Sensex. Bank Nifty is a monthly, expiry. So you can also watch the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, if we consider Monday, Tuesday as the range, it has come inside the previous weekly opening range. It is trading inside the weekly range. So suppose if it takes support around 57,667, let me mark it, 667 to 687 around this level. Suppose if it starts turning around, it can save the market. It can save Nifty and Bank Nifty and all of them together, they may start going up. So the structure, if you see clearly on this, Bank Nifty is after the push up, it is a consolidated and domination is by the red candles. Only one green candle is coming and the market has to start trading above 58,066. After dipping down, if it gives any up move, that is a positive move because the market has moved higher and it is consolidation. Even consolidation can go. So the range is broader range is between 57,055 to 58,720 is for the Bank Nifty. So the thing is, even it may, Bank Nifty may save the Nifty and the Sensex even if they come down. If the Nifty comes down to 24,078 to 76, if we can look for the opportunity of buying. Monday, probably it may be a down day. It may be a down day filling the gap. So friends, you need to watch for the price action very closely and take the screenshot and mark the levels. It is not a rocket science or anything. You can also mark the weekly candle open, high, low, close and extrapolate the every level on your chart. So be prepared for the trade on Monday and Tuesday. Thank you very much, friends. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.